A data lake is a centralized repository that you can use to store all your structured and unstructured data at any scale. You can store your data as is, without having to first structure the data. You can then run different types of analytics to guide better decisions, from dashboards and visualizations to big data processing, real-time analytics, and machine learning. Essential elements of a data lake solution. Data movement. You can use data lakes to import any amount of data that can come in real time. Data is collected from multiple sources, and it is moved into the data lake in its original format. This process can scale to data of any size while saving you the time of defining data structures, schema, and transformations. Securely store and catalog data. You have the ability to understand what data is in your data lake through crawling, cataloging, and indexing. You should also secure this data to protect the assets in your data lake. Analytics. Data lakes allow various roles in your organization to access data with their choice of analytic tools and frameworks. You can run analytics in your data lake without the need to move your data to a separate analytics system. Machine learning. Organizations can use data lakes to generate different types of insights. They can run reports on historical data, and they can use machine learning models to forecast likely outcomes, suggesting a range of prescribed actions to achieve the optimal result. Build a data lake on Amazon S3. Amazon Simple Storage Service, or Amazon S3, is the largest and most performant object storage service for structured and unstructured data, and it is the storage service of choice to build a data lake. With Amazon S3, you can cost-effectively build and scale a data lake of any size in a secure environment where data is protected by 11 nines of durability. Amazon S3 automatically creates and stores copies of all uploaded S3 objects across multiple systems. This means that your data is available when needed and protected against failures, errors, and threats. Build a data lake with AWS Lake Formation. You can use AWS Lake Formation to create a secure data lake in days instead of months. In the streamlined lake formation process, you define where data resides and what data access and security policies to apply. Lake formation then collects data from different sources and moves it into a new data lake in Amazon S3. You can use machine learning algorithms to clean, catalog, and classify the data in Amazon S3, and define your access control policies. Users can then access a centralized catalog of data that lists the available datasets and their usage terms.